basic settings of the SAP screen. So let's start. So on the top you can see you have the menu bar, then you have the command box. In this command box you can enter the T codes, and after entering the T codes you can execute and you can land up to the particular page for which you have entered the T code. These are the tools to access the SAP screen. So you can see here on this tab it says create new session. So in SAP you can uh, access maximum 7 new sessions. So this is one session, and again you can simply click on this and it will create a new session. So on you can create 6 sessions in SAP, and you can work on all the 6 sessions. So we have this SAP Easy Access screen. So basically this SAP Easy Access screen is accessed by the end users. So the whatever activities is performed on this SAP Easy Access screen, so it's basically performed by the end users. So we have the consultants and we have the end users. So this is the screen where the end user performs the day-to-day transactions, and for any consultant related activities there is separate screen called SPRO screen, which I will show you there on the consultants work. So before I take you to the SPRO screen, let me give you more brief about the SAP Easy Access screen. So here you can see the favorites option is available. Then we have the SAP menu option. So if you talk about the favorites, you can select any of the T codes which you execute on every day on a daily basis on the favorites section, so that you don't have to search that particular T code. So you can simply drag that and you can save it in the favorites section, so that you can simply click on that particular T code which is saved in the favorites and you can execute it. In the same way, you can see the SAP menu bar where you can have all these options, and you can go to accounting, and let's suppose financial accounting, then general ledger, and if you want to post any of the transactions you can simply click on postings, and you can see these are the T codes and the description against the T codes. So if you want to hide the technical names, so these are basically the transactions code, and you can also say the technical names. So you simply click on extras and you can click on the settings, and you would see these are 4 options which are available. So just because the display technical names tab is clicked, that's the reason you're able to see the technical names over here. So if I uncheck this and if I click OK, so this time if you go and if you see, you won't be able to see the technical names. So now you don't see the technical names over here. So again you simply click on extras, then settings, and if you click on display technical names you would be able to see the technical name this time. So simply click on accounting, financial accounting, and general ledger, postings, and now you can see the technical names over here, and against the technical names you can see the description next to the technical names. So this is how you are able to see the T codes against the description, and you would be able to see the technical names on the SAP Easy Access screen. I would also show you how you can access the technical names on the SPRO screen. So that's for the consultants, and in the same way if you want to see the other settings over here, you can simply click on it and you can see it says do not display picture. So over here you can see the logo of the particular company you're working for on this particular screen. So if you don't want to see the logo to picture, you can simply click on do not display picture, and it won't reflect the picture over here. Do not display menu, only display favorites. So if you select only do not display menu and only display favorites, so in this screen it will only reflect you the menu and it won't reflect you do not display menu. So it will hide the menu and it will only reflect you the favorites. Here display favorites at the end of the list. So if I select display favorites at the end of the list, So this favorites, which is on the top, would come at the bottom, and the SAP menu would go on the top if I select this option. So this is a few basic settings on the SAP Easy Access screens. So you can also access if you are new. So I hope that this would help you. In the same way, if you want to change the color of the screen which you are accessing, you can simply customize as per your choice. So you can simply click on this icon which reflects like a desktop kind of thing, and you can simply click on it, and you can click on options. And once you click on options, you can see you have got a couple of options wherein you can increase or decrease the size, the font size of it. You can also change the visual design, you can change the color as well of it, sound settings and all, everything is over here. And if you want to change the theme, you can change the theme, you can change the font size, you can change the branding name. See, these are the changes which you can do. If you want to change the color, you can change it. So now by default it has SAP signature default visual design. If you want to change the color, you can change it to red, or suppose if you want to change it to purple, you can change to green or gold. So you can change this as per your requirement. You simply click on apply, and you can simply click on OK, and the changes will come into effect. So this was a few basic settings on the SAP Easy Access screen. Let me take you to the SPRO screen where the consultants works. So you can simply type SPRO and on the command box and simply press enter on the keyboard. So here you need to click on the SAP reference IMG, and once you click on the SAP reference IMG, you can see these are all the configurations has come up for all other modules of the SAP. So you can see you have finance, you have controlling, investment, real estate, logistics, production, utilities, banking, and so on. So you have you can see you have almost many uh, modules available on this screen, on this SPRO screen. So this is basically the screen where the SAP consultants works. So we are going to discuss about the FI and CO modules. So let me take you through the FI part. So here before we're doing any configuration of the FI modules, so we will be doing the enterprise structure configuration. I will take you to the configuration part in my next session. So in this session I would only be discussing the basic settings of the SAP Easy Access screen and the SAP SPRO screen. So I have already discussed about the Easy Access screen, so let me take you through the SPRO screen. So let's suppose if you go to the enterprise structure and definition, then financial accountings. So here you can see these are the configuration which you need to do in order to do the configuration for the organization structure of a particular company. So you don't see the transactions code or the technical names against the descriptions. So simply you need to click on the additional information, and simply click on additional information, then display keys, then IMG activity. So once you follow these steps, you can write it down if you want. So it's additional information, then display keys, then IMG activity. So you simply need to click on it, and once you click, you can see that the technical names has come up just next to these descriptions. So you can simply see the technical names right over here, right in front of the company. You can see the technical names, and the technical names are the last four digit of this complete series. So it's OX15 is the technical name for the defined company, and it's OB45 is a technical name for the credit control area. OX02 is for company code. So this is how you can see the technical name of these transactions. In the same way, you can also click on the create new session, and you can open up a new session on this screen as well. And this is basically the SPRO screen where all the consultants works and they does on the configurations. So I hope you like this video. If you like this, you can share it, and if you have any doubt and questions, you can write in the comment section. I would be happy to help you and answer your queries. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.